Hello everyone. So here we are going to see a problem, or I would say an example based on self parameter. Okay. So basically we are going to use out the self parameter to set and display the edge. Okay. So for that I need to create of course a class, right? So let's just try to create a class of a student here. Okay, which is of course going to have a self, like of course, constructor, and we know that first parameter should be self, right? So I'm going to give here the self, which is going to have an input of age, because the question is asking that we need to set and display the age, right? So I need to create the object variable by the help of self, which would be having the value from my local variable age. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to create a new method, which is a show method, and again it is going to take a self parameter so that we can create the and use the like variables and create the object variables. So here we are just trying to print out simply age is, that's all. We'll just pass out here self dot age, that's all. And this constructor would be called out at the time of creation of object. So we'll just create out the object S, which is going to be created by the help of a student class, right? So what am I going to do? I'm just going to give the value here directly. Okay. And by the help of object S, I can call to my show method so that it can display the age 18 for me. So you can see here simply we have created a class student inside which a constructor which is taking the age as a parameter. Okay, whenever we have just called out at the moment we call like created our object which is S. Okay, the execution moves towards the age 18. Okay, I mean 18 is passed out in the constructor. Now it's been assigned out to the object variable, and object variable is being passed out in the function which is the show function. And now by the help of object we have called out our show method just to get the response of the age as per the task given. So I hope guys this is the like this example you understood about the self parameter in Python. So in case if you are having any questions or any doubts about self in Python, you can let me know. Thank you so much.